Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a picnic campground map kiosk that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x4 plate. I'm going to place another 2x4 plate right in the center where they are crisscrossed. Then I'm going to take 4 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plates. I'm going to place 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. This is going to help frame up our map area. 2 more 1x2 by 1x2 upwards angular plates. I'm going to place these on the bottom. And a set of 1x2 by 2x2 upwards angular plates. Place these on the top. These are going to be used to attach our little roof to our kiosk. Then I'm going to place some 2x2 map tiles inside the area. Now you can use any type of map tile you choose. I'm just going to stick a couple of these in here to make it look pretty interesting. Different places to visit. Then along the sides, a set of 1x4 flat tiles. Now on the top, 4 1x3 25-degree slopes. This is going to be our little roof. Keep the rain off the maps. And to crown off these 4 studs on the top, 2x2 flat tile. On the bottom, I'm going to place a 1x2 flat tile right in the center and 2 of these round plates with the 3.2 shaft. Now the reason for these is I want to reverse the polarity of my stud, so I'm going to take a pair of 1x1 round bricks, place the shaft inside the top of the brick. Let's set our map kiosk on a plate. I'm just going to use a 6x8 plate for this demonstration. Just set that on 2 studs for a nice map kiosk.